Hi guys, Mark here. Presets can make your life much easier and process of editing pictures much faster. Previously I showed you what you can do to create your own presets. Today I will show you how very easily and quickly you can import other presets into your Lightroom Classic. We can start right now. Okay guys, we are in Lightroom. Exactly, this is Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic version 10.3. We need to go to the development module. In development module, we need to go to presets, click on that plus, choose import presets, go to the folder where your presets are, double click on them, wait 1 second, and on the left side here you can see they have been imported. And you can start using them right now. And yes, it was as simple and quick. If you would like to download those presets, then link you can find in the description. Then you can watch my next video. I really appreciate if you click like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much guys.